Hello, everyone. I am super excited to bring to you what's in my downloadable journals and to just share with you some of the background of how I created them, why I created them, and moving forward, what else I'm going to be doing with my journals. So I created 11 journals within a year, maybe a little over a year's time. And during the lockdown, I wanted to do something that would add to helping those who are entrepreneurs, small businesses, large businesses, childcare business, or just individuals who like to journal, whether it's bullet journaling, whether it's keeping a diary. And I had all of these things in my head that I really wanted to do and really wanted to write. And one by one, they just came to me based on what I journal about. And I journal about everything. So you'll find a journal about my gym routine, my eating habits. You'll find journals about politics and my business and childcare and just other things going on in my life. And I just thought I want to do this and create what I do so that I can help others. So let's take a look at what's in my journals. And I'm going to go through all 11 of them and then let you know what else I have in store for my journals. Okay, so the reflective journals. Now, I did 2 reflective journals. They are very similar. As a matter of fact, they are the same in terms of content. And I did the 2 because I just thought each one of these covers was so beautiful and I couldn't decide which one I wanted to do. So I did 2. So let's see exactly what's in them. Okay, so the pink flower reflective journal has purple pages, and what it did was, or what it does is it shows the reflective practice in childcare or working with children. Now, what I mean by that is when we work with children, there are lots of things that are going on at one time, whether it be us caring for multi-age children, having to get this one a drink, take that one to the bathroom. And there are things that happen during the day. And so reflecting on it makes for a better childcare setting. It makes for a better childcare provider. And it also helps to plan and just to see what it is that works best for each child or works best for your program. So what I've done is I did sample pages of exactly how to fill in the different sections, and you'll see briefing, description, and feelings. And there are in my journals between 20 to 50 pages in my downloadables. And so you can see all of this there so you'll know how to fill it out. And then I did an orange flower reflective journal where the pages are kind of an orange yellow inside. And it also has the same sample pages, how to fill these out so that you can create a book with the reflective practice that I do in my business. And I also created some business journals. So I did an FCC, Family Child Care Center creation journal. I did a business journal, which is actually like a monthly business journal. I created Entrepreneur's Journal, and you see it says it starts with you. That's my saying. And I have Childcare Yearly Business Journal. So let's take a look at what's inside of these. Okay, so let me go back. I'm trying to move myself out of the way here. Okay, so with the FCC Family Childcare Center's Creation Journal, you will receive a description of each center area. So whether it be an art center, dramatic play, in this case, a science center, a way station, all those different things, and you'll receive a sheet with the blank pages so that you can write down how you're creating your centers, um, what materials you need, maybe what you're going to have the children do in each center. So it was really helpful for me when I was creating this to see what was in each center. It actually helped me to organize how I was going to put each toy or each block, where I was going to hang each garment for my dramatic play area. The Entrepreneur's Journal is a journal that you can create whether you're childcare, whatever type of business you're in, because it helps you to outline your niche or niche, your vision, your goals, objectives, your financial strategy, and it even helps you put all of those things together and create a very nice business plan. So I'm very excited about this. This is something that I used quite a bit when I was planning my business. And even now, I look back over a lot of the things that I've done and kind of see how I've grown and what I need to do. The Retro Stripe Purple Black Monthly Journal. I really, really like this one. It's a business, and it's actually a monthly business journal, and it's outlines each month and what you'll do each month. So I use this to track my business each month and what I was doing, items I needed, maybe items I purchased, things like that. And at the end of each month, I could see the progress that I made in my business. And it was incredible to see the journey written down on paper, and to see where I started and how far I've come. So you can use this for anything. A lot of people like to do bullet journals. They like to keep diaries. So, I mean, it's up to you. But it is very, very helpful. And I like the purple and the black. Those are some of my favorite colors, and putting them together, it just was nice with the gold. The Childcare Yearly Business Journal. This is a journal for organizing your business. So this will take each year and help you organize what it is that you need to do in your childcare space. So I've just given you an example of year 2. And year 2, some of the things that I've done was to build an email list. I grew my social media and I created events. And what I've done for each year is giving you 3 bullet examples of what you can do to plan for that year, and some blank pages so you can add your own. And it's really helpful to just kind of understand what it is that is necessary for growing and building your childcare business. And then I have statement journals. These are blank journals that have beautiful border on the inside. And I just love, like I said, I love the color black, and I just love putting like a statement piece or something. So like I may wear black and then add red shoes or a blue shawl or something that stands out. And so this is one of the two of the journals that I created. And one of them is the red flower, the black statement journal. And this has the white and paper inside with the black embroidery, and then the red flower, just like the one on the cover. And you can do whatever you want with this. Keep it as a diary. You can just let it just lay as a statement piece. That's always good too. And I did the blue flower journal, where this is just with the black embroidery, and you can once again do whatever you want with this, but I just love how color of like blues and reds and purples and pinks and things stand out against that black background. Then I did the new me journals. And the new me journals I love because we are always creating, recreating ourselves. And I love to write down what I have, um, what I have done with myself. I've done with my life, and I love it. And I just called it the new me. And then I have two new me journals, and they have either the black silhouettes, which is of all shapes and sizes, represents all colors, represents all styles. I just love that. I get inspiration from many different places and many different women and their clothing and their styles. And so I just duplicated that within my journals. And this is the new me colorful silhouette journal. And once again, I have the black background and just like some statement pieces on the cover. And I have these colorful pastel pages on the inside that have different women on them. And I love that they have the different color hair with the pink and the blue and the different skin tones. And you can even see on their lips, some have white lips, some have pink, some have blue, some have yellow, and representing just all different sizes, again, skin colors, and just the beauty of just women. And you can write on these pages whatever you want. You can even write the journey of how you started in January till December. Some use it as a weight loss to track their journey for that. It's whatever you like to do. And then I have the purple stripe new me black silhouette blank journal, and I love this one. I love the once again the pinks and the purples with the black color, and then the different stripes. I love those. And then you see the silhouettes of different women on each page in a different pose, and I just love that. Then I have another one where there are the different pages with the black silhouette and the different poses. These you will notice that some are sitting down. They're kind of like doing different things with their hands and their arms and their feet. So this one right here now is sitting down, and I love that because it represents all of what we do as women, and it's reflection of a new me, whatever that is. And you can find all of my journals on my website, thechildcareentrepreneur.com/store. And all my downloadable journals, I'm going to keep at the $5 price, and you can use PayPal to download them. Please let me know what you think. I'm very proud of these. I hope that you will get a lot of use out of them. And I hope to write more. And it's interesting how everybody uses journals differently. And no, there's no correct way. There's no incorrect way. And just how a lot of you asked and are really loving that you can download things immediately. And that's really, really great. I want to thank you for all of your support uh, with my journals. And like I said, I'm very proud of it. I decided that this year um, was like no other. And I guess the past years, of course, were like no other. But one of the things that I was talking with other women about, and we were talking about fear, and that we are not going to allow fear to get in the way of the things that we want to do. So I encourage you, download these journals. Don't let fear get in the way of anything. Start writing your plans, start that business, whatever it is that you want to do. That's what these journals represent. Where else can you find my journals? I'm super, super excited about this. Another thing about fear is that I don't want to put limits on myself and the skills that I have and that I can share with others and that I can help others. And so I was really reluctant to do this. And then I was like, I'm going to give it a try. I kept getting like this little internal nudge. And so I did it. I took I took the business journals, which I have 6 business journals. I'll start with that first. And I created paperback journals so that you can go on Amazon and purchase them. Now, what I've done with my paperback journals, they are 8.5 by 11 size. So I am going to create them in other sizes as well. Some like them in the 6 by 9 and maybe some other binding like paper, hardback and things like that. So a lot goes into publishing a book. So you don't just write it and then you just upload it and it's you can just go ahead and do it. So you have to do the cover, the interior, all that is very important. So what I've done with the paperback journals, I have created them to be 100 pages. So I added some special pages inside of each one of my 11 journals. And like I said, I started with these 6 here, which are the business journals. And you're going to get so much more with these printed journals. And I'm super, super excited about it and very proud of what I've done. And remember, we're not living in fear, and we are going to create and we're going to really bring out our talents this year in 2022. So go on Amazon. Like I said, right now, I have the Childcare Yearly Business Journal for sale and the Childcare Reflective Journal, and I'm waiting on the others, which are in review. So I will keep you updated, and I'm thinking about doing maybe a little bit more on journaling and talking about journaling, the different types of journaling that you can do, especially for business. I think it really keeps you focused and it helps to structure, um, helps you stay, like I said, focused, structure, and give you a clear vision of where you want to go in the future. So thank you so much. I can't wait for you to read them. Let me know what you think. Don't be cruel. Okay, so because I really, really want you to like these. So thank you. And I am going to end now. Make sure you subscribe so you can hear all the other things that I'm doing that I want to help you with. Make sure you're liking the videos, leave your comments, send your questions, and go check out the books. All right, take care. I'll see you in the next video.